The book Thus Spoke Zarathustra prompts us to question why the German philosopher Nietzsche considered Zarathustra's words so important for his work. According to Nietzsche, Zarathustra is like a wise leader, going beyond ordinary life, encouraging people to be better, to think about themselves, and to say yes to life. Zarathustra, the founder of Zoroastrianism, one of the world's oldest ethics from Persia, emphasized the need for people to strive to be the Overman by embracing the world and life. Let's explore 5 principles of Zoroastrianism that will guide you toward becoming an Overman and a worthier person. Good thoughts, good words, good deeds. These are the 3 elements form the core symbol of Zoroastrianism. Think positive, speak kind and truthful words, and do things that spread goodness and kindness. This idea shows how our thoughts, words, and actions all work together to make our lives better. If your colleague is dealing with a tough project, instead of thinking negatively or gossiping, try to see the good in their abilities. Share some encouraging words, and if you can, offer to help out. This way, you're living out the idea of the principle of interconnected goodness. Ethical dualism. Believing in what makes us unique as a human is key. It doesn't matter who you are, your gender, race, or beliefs. You possess a conscience and wisdom that make you special, with the ability to change and improve. You can figure out what's right or wrong, good or bad, and make choices to shape your own future. Zoroastrianism teaches us to aim for the best version of ourselves, known as spenta meniu, and avoid the worst, angra meniu. Responsible stewardship. Take responsibility for the well-being of the world and its inhabitants. Zoroastrianism encourages individuals to contribute to the betterment of society, the environment, and the community. Recognize the interconnectedness of all existence and foster a sense of unity. By actively participating in positive change, you fulfill your role as responsible stewards of creation. Engage in projects like planting trees and reducing waste to take care of the environment actively. Be kind to animals or consider adopting a pet. Strive to weave these principles into your daily life, making them a part of your routine. Belief in charity and helping the needy. Zoroastrians avoid weapons and value reconciliation. They believe happiness comes from making others happy. Everyone, no matter their situation, can and should help others. Things like forgiving, sacrificing, and helping the needy through gifts, celebrations, and giving are seen as really important. They improve social interaction, distracts people from their own problems, and boosts self-esteem and confidence. Ashem Vohu, righteousness is the best good. Follow the path of goodness and honesty in everything you do. Make fair and good choices. This idea encourages people to be good and honest in what they think and do. Imagine you find a wallet on the street. You decide to do what's right. Instead of keeping the money for yourself, you can look for identification and return the wallet to its rightful owner. This choice reflects fairness, honesty, and goodness in your actions, aligning with the idea of righteousness as the best good. Remember, as Zarathustra described, the Overman or Übermensch is the one who is willing to risk all for the sake of the enhancement of humanity. Try applying these principles to your life and strive to become an Overman. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Mind Journey and like this video. Thank you all for supporting us. Bye.